Hello, my name is Vinay Jaraj Barma, and today's date is 05th of September 2023, and today's topic is collection framework. So basically, let me give some brief introduction about collection. So collection it is a huge for the purpose of like it is not there are some bugs while using the array. Then we are using the collection because it has like dynamic and you can perform the various operation by using the various methods and various type of operation that it has advantage to it decreases the time complexity and the time limit exceeds types of error while storing the data. So the collection framework it is like used to store or you can perform the various operation like uh, uh, like uh, in the group of object. So that is basically the definition of the collection framework. So by using the collection, you can achieve all the operation in the you can perform like searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and the deletion. And after that, Java collection means a single unit of object, and the Java collection frameworks provide in the many interfaces like set, list, queue, DQ, and the classes array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, tree set, etc. So there are different type of methods that you can say first of all add method. So it is used to add an element in the collection, and after that it has add all method it is used to insert the specific collection element in the invoking collection, and after that remove method it is used to delete an element from the collection, and after that it has remove all method it is used to delete all the elements from the specified collection, and after that it has return all method, and it is used to delete all the elements of invoking collection except and the specific in the specific portion of collection, and after that it has size method in the same sense of array dot length. So it is used for that to define the length of that collection, and after that it has a clear method it is used to clear the total number of element from the collection, and after that it has a huge for the specific purpose of uh, specific purpose like a linked list it is faster to store store the element, add the element, or remove the element, and after that array list. So array list is basically slow to remove and add the element, and it is fast as a get and set the element from the collection, and after that it has stack. So stack it is basically defining two portion like a queue and DQ, various type of stacks are available. To show it is basically focused on specific principle like first in last out and last in first out. So that is basically your stack. So yeah, that is all about the collection framework. Thank you.